Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to change the chat visibility on your League of Legends. So at first, all you have to do is open your game through the right client, and as you open the game, you're in this home screen as I am. So just stay at this home screen and look at the right top corner for that setting option, and as you see it, just click it to view the setting page. And as you view the setting page, look at your left and select this option interface. And as you do that, just scroll this down until you see the option chat. And as you see it, you can see also the option change chat visibility. So just click on here and select the option that you like. And as you do that, click on the option done. So let me show you again. Just go on the setting and then go on the interface and look for the option chat, and where you can see this option change chat visibility. So just click on this box and select the option that you like and click on the option done. So guys, that's how you change the chat visibility on your League of Legends. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.